All right. Everybody's going to get asked this question today, David. NVIDIA report, does it ease concerns about a bubble? And also, does it make other parts of the tech landscape more attractive, less attractive? How do you see the whole picture?
It doesn't at all for us. I mean, I think the biggest part of the bubble for me is not he who is receiving the money, which is NVIDIA. It's those who are paying the money, which are the hyperscalers who have seen their CapEx level go to just stratospheric levels. And I think that's the bigger problem. I would point out, too, that even with NVIDIA popping here this morning, it's nowhere near where it was a few weeks ago. And if it doesn't make a new high on news like what came yesterday, I think you could argue, I'm no technician, but I don't think that that ends up being a positive. NVIDIA is raking in the money right now. There's no question about it. But I think it's more the expenditure side than the income side that matters.
It feels like you may be keying on something I don't think anybody else really is, maybe a few people. The idea that Jensen Huang said there's just no assurances when it comes to OpenAI and these other deals. So you're saying you're worried about their ability to generate the revenue to pay NVIDIA?
It's not that I'm worried about their ability to generate revenue to pay NVIDIA. They're going to pay NVIDIA. These companies have EBITDA and cash flow. I'm worried about the ROI on those expenditures. I don't think that any of the hyperscalers have any idea what the ROI is. And that's fine to a certain degree, but not now at $1.5 trillion of 5-year, 6-year pro forma commitments. I mean, this is bubble-like behavior. There's no question about it.
You're saying potential bubbles. Very interesting, because this morning you may be the only one. Everybody else seems to be pretty bullish on everything.
It's not the first time I've been out of consensus.
Understood. There's nothing wrong being a contrarian.